Hello from Taiwan. Hi guys, it's J. Marie and this is my day 5 here in Taiwan. Today we're leaving Taipei and exploring Taichung in just one day. So let's go! Around 9 a.m. umalis kami from Taipei Main Station for our Taichung day tour. Medyo early nag-start but worth it because super packed ang ating itinerary today. By the way, this is booked via Klook kasi medyo magkakalayo yung mga attraction and talagang kakainin yung oras mo sa biyahe. First stop is here at Songshe Flower Market. We spent around 1 hour here and grabe, sobrang daming colorful flowers and para kang nasa K-drama set ganun. Perfect siya pang aesthetic photos and pang reset ng mood, ang peaceful ng vibe dito. Plus, I got to see my favorite flower which is tulip. Next stop natin is here at National Taichung Theater. Around 10 minutes lang tayo dito, so tinignan lang namin ng architecture sa labas and then bumalik na kami sa bus. And then, diretso kami dito sa OG Bubble Tea Place, ang Chun Sui Tang. Also, yung binook pala namin na Klook ay may available na free milk tea. Around 15 minutes lang din kami dito and nagpunta naman kami ng Miyahara. So, yung Miyahara is famous for their ice creams. Pupunta kayo dito, itry nyo din yung ice cream nila. Maraming flavor na available. We also did a quick stop sa Rainbow Village for about 15 minutes. Makukulay yung painting pero very small lang siya. Bawat corner mayroong personality pero maliit lang talaga siyang place. And for our last stop, nagpunta kami dito sa Gaomei Wetlands. Actually, wala namang specially here. And I don't recommend na isama nyo pa to sa itinerary nyo kung magdi-DIY lang kayo. Ang super na nagustuhan ko lang dito is yung sunset part. Pero hindi naman kami nagstay until sunset. Saglit lang din and malis na kami. Overall, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko ay ang Songshe Flower Market. So that's it for today. Kita-kita tayo on my next mini vlog. So yun lang. Bye!